This time I'm gonna put a question. It's 1 over x. So we're gonna find the domain and the range of this function. Okay. So y equals 1x. So this also can be written as y equal or fx equal 1 over x. It doesn't matter what notation they give you. Okay? Gx equals 1 over x. It's all same, or y equals 1 over x. So it's all same. So let's take a table of values to see what we can get. So this is your input, and this is your y, which is 1 over x. Okay, thank you. We did good. All right. Also, as I mentioned yesterday, so this is the input, and this is the output. Domain, and this is range. Okay, so let's see these values, see what we can get. Okay, so use the space right here to solve the problem.
Okay.
So both of you guys can fill the numbers as you go work through. You don't need to work on the same number. Amara, you can work on the one number, and then Arjun, you can work on the other number. So you can just fill it up. Okay. So a pretty interesting thing is like one thing I want you to guys really think about this one. So if I put a 1 over 0, is it still 0?
Undefined.
Undefined. You're fighting with me. All right, it's undefined. So how can we write the domain now? Let's think about the domain.
So the domain, the x value. So would it be all real numbers except 0?
Are we not taking 0 here for the domain?
We can, but the range would be undefined. So technically we could, but it's most likely we should not.
Yeah, but again, in the domain point of view, yes, we can take that number, right? But for the range point of view, you cannot get that number there, because if you take that number, you're going to get undefined. So obviously, your domain, we cannot take that number. Because if you take that number, we're going to get the range of undefined. Undefined means we cannot even find that number. So how are you going to find it without finding a number? How you can even take a domain? So your domain is all real numbers except 0. Okay, so this is, we can write it. And this is, the notation you wrote it here, real number not equal 0. It doesn't give you the picture of the real numbers except 0, but this is the way you write it. We're taking all real numbers, but we're taking away 0. Okay?
Okay.
Makes sense? These functions, again, will come again in the algebra, higher level algebra and algebra 2. And there you can look into the graphs point of view, how the graphs are really going to look like. For 8th grade, this is really good high level, what I can think right there.
Okay.